In Excel, we often work with basic formulas that are used to perform a single, straightforward calculation. However, there are many cases when we need to combine multiple functions to achieve a more complex result. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use nested formulas in Excel 365. This method allows us to combine several functions together to perform calculations that meet specific conditions and return exactly the result we expect. Let's consider a practical example. Suppose we want to evaluate students based on their performance. In this case, we are given the scores of students in two subjects, math and literature. The task is to determine whether a student is classified as good or not good based on their average scores in these two subjects. To solve this, we will use the IF function combined with average logic. We need to calculate the average score of math and literature for each student. If the average score of both subjects is equal to or greater than 6, then the student is classified as good. Otherwise, the classification is not good. This means we are using a nested function that first calculates the average and then applies a condition using the IF function to return the appropriate result. After entering the formula in the first cell, we can drag the fill handle down to apply the same logic to all students in the list. Excel will automatically process the other rows based on the formula we created. With this approach, we can efficiently use nested formulas to manage more advanced logic in Excel. This method is especially useful when a single function is not enough to meet the complexity of the condition. By combining multiple functions logically, we ensure that our formulas are both powerful and flexible. This concludes the tutorial on how to use nested formulas in Excel 365 to categorize student performance based on average scores in two subjects.